Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
No, hiccup sessions lasting over an hour are not typical for babies and might indicate an underlying issue. Hiccups are usually harmless and resolve on their own, but if your baby's hiccup episodes persist for more than an hour, it's advisable to consult with a pediatrician. They can rule out any health concerns and provide guidance on how to comfort your baby during these sessions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.